Bay Windows Jacksonville Beach is a popular choice for homeowners looking to enhance their living spaces with custom bay windows Jacksonville Beach. With a variety of bay window styles Jacksonville Beach, you can find the perfect fit for your home. Bay Window Contractors Jacksonville Beach offer expert services to ensure a seamless installation process. Energy-efficient bay windows Jacksonville Beach are an excellent option for those looking to reduce energy costs. These windows are designed to keep your home comfortable year-round. Bay Window Experts Jacksonville Beach can provide you with the best energy-efficient solutions for your home. Bay Window Replacement Jacksonville Beach is a great way to update your home's appearance and functionality. Whether you're interested in vinyl bay windows Jacksonville Beach or wooden bay windows Jacksonville Beach, there are plenty of options to choose from. Bay Window Specialists Jacksonville Beach can guide you through the selection process. Affordable bay windows Jacksonville Beach are available for homeowners on a budget. With a range of bay window materials Jacksonville Beach, you can find cost-effective solutions without compromising on quality. Bay Window Quotes Jacksonville Beach can help you plan your project within your budget. Bay Window Design Jacksonville Beach offers a variety of bay window dimensions. Jacksonville Beach to suit any home. From traditional to modern bay window trends Jacksonville Beach, there's a style for every taste. Bay Window Consultation Jacksonville Beach can help you decide on the best design for your space. Vinyl bay windows Jacksonville Beach are a popular choice due to their durability and low maintenance. These windows offer a sleek look and are available in various bay window features Jacksonville Beach. Bay Window Maintenance Jacksonville Beach ensures your windows remain in top condition. Wooden bay windows Jacksonville Beach provide a classic and timeless look for any home. These windows can be customized to fit your specific needs and preferences. Bay window options Jacksonville Beach include a range of finishes and styles to match your home's aesthetic. Aluminum bay windows Jacksonville Beach are known for their strength and modern appearance. These windows are ideal for homeowners looking for a contemporary look. Bay window enhancements Jacksonville Beach can include additional features like built-in seating or storage. Bay Window Jacksonville Beach solutions offer a wide range of possibilities for enhancing your home. From bay window upgrades Jacksonville Beach to complete overhauls, there are numerous ways to improve your living space. Bay Window Services Jacksonville Beach provide comprehensive support for all your window needs.